apples. So let's get started. Here's what we need. Apple chopped, my whipped cream, butter, a pinch of cinnamon, icing sugar and brown sugar. Let's get started. First we cut the apple into small cubes. We put on the gas, then we add in our butter and then we let the butter melt a little bit. Let the butter melt properly around the pan so the apples don't get stuck to the pan. Now we add our apples in the pan. Then you put in the water. Give it a little stir. Now let's cook the apples. So put the gas on medium flame and then mix it till the apples have become soft. A little bit soft. And then we are going to add the brown sugar. Make sure it's soft enough and it can be as soft as you want. Add a little bit water if the apples are sticking to the pan so it cooks faster. Now my apples are soft enough so I can add the brown sugar. Now we put the brown sugar and then the cinnamon, a pinch of cinnamon. Now we wait for the sugar to melt. Okay, now let me taste the apple if we need anything more. Perfect. Now let's wait for the apples to cool. Now we are going to put our cream in a chilled vessel and put the icing sugar. Now we are going to whisk it up nicely. And make sure to whisk it in only one direction. Now it has to be thick enough as slime, but not so thick as slime. Now that our cream is ready and apples are cooled, we take a big spoon of the apple. First we in a chilled cup. Now we take a big spoon of. Okay. Then you put, if you want, you can put one more layer of the apple. Because the apple sinks down anyway. And then the cream. And if you don't want to put another layer, just keep putting the cream. Now for a chef, I'm just going to garnish it with some mint leaves. I think my sister looks hungry too. I guess I should make one for her. This is my baby sister Araya. Let me make one for you. Want to try? First, you put a big spoon of apple. And now the cream. Lots lots of things. Let me put this on the bowl. Yeah, this looks so good. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. So good. So good. Subscribe for more recipes.